Hello and welcome to the first unboxing video of ProMobiles. In front of us we have a refurbished iPhone 4 and we're gonna do an unboxing. We have received many questions from people who are interested to buy one, and they are asking us, what is refurbished? Is it new or is it a second-hand phone? So let's first start with explaining what's refurbished. Apple sells iPhones, and when these devices are defect, they are returned to Apple, and Apple does not repair these devices. They gather them, they give new phones to the customers who bring them back, and then they sell them to refurbishing companies. These companies buy all the defect phones from Apple and repair them. So they will put, if necessary, new glass in there, they will put new cables in, they will put a new backside on if it's scratched. They will repack the phone and resell them as refurbished. So that's a refurbished phone. It's basically a second-hand new phone, and usually they are not sold with warranty, but it's good to know that ProMobiles gives you half-a-year warranty on our refurbished phones. So let's have a look in the box. This is what it looks like, and on the back you can see this is an iPhone 4 16GB black. Usually they come sealed in plastic, but we have already installed iOS 7.1 on the phone for our customer, so this one is already unwrapped. Let's take it out of the box and have a look at the phone itself. Here's the black iPhone. As you can see, it comes with a protection both on the front and the back. It's really as good as new. You can see here on the bottom there's a little label that's for warranty purposes. And then let's start it up. So while this is booting up, have a quick look in the box. It comes with your documentation, and it comes with all the accessories: the headset, charger cable, USB cable, and a USB AC charger. Now while it's starting, I will already install my SIM card so we can try to activate it. Here we are at the startup screen. So we go through the setup process. Here's the Thai language. In this case I will choose English. I usually disable the location service. It costs a lot of battery power. We'll set it up as a new iPhone. No password. And we agree with the terms and conditions. Skip the passcode. And we don't send the diagnostics. That's it. And now we have a fully working iPhone 4. You can see here it's connected to the GSM network, it's connected to the Wi-Fi network, and since it's updated to iOS 7.1, it runs quite well. 7.04 was quite a disaster. It slowed down the phone so much that it's almost useless, but I have to say the new iOS 7.1 is a big improvement. So here you have it, our iPhone 4 refurbished. If you have any questions, please contact us via our website. You will find the web link on the bottom of this review. Thanks for watching.